Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1 and we are gonna read this explanation text about how does rain fall. How does rain fall? Rain is one of the main sources of fresh water for almost all people in the world. It provides suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems. It is also used as hydroelectric power plant and crop irrigation. But do you know how rain happens?
The rain phenomenon is actually what we often call as water cycle. The concept of the water cycle involves the sun hitting the earth's surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate. Then the water vapor rises into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets grow bigger and heavier and fall to the earth as precipitation.
However, not all rain can reach the surface earth. Some evaporate while falling through dry earth. This is what we call asperger, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions.
Generic structure. The generic structure of this explanation text. First is general statement. General statement is located at the first paragraph because the first paragraph is introducing what is rain. Second is explanation. The explanation is located at the second and the third paragraph. The second and the third paragraph is explaining how the rain falls.
Language feature. The language features in this explanation text are 1. Using simple present tense. The example of simple present tense in this text is it provides suitable conditions for diverse ecosystem. 2. Using action verb. The action verb that was used in this text are rise, grow, fall, and etc. 3. Using passive voice. The example usage of passive voice in this text is it is also used as hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigation. 4. Conjunction of cause and effect. Conjunction of cause and effect is the sun hitting the earth's surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate. 5. Chronological connection. Then the water vapor rises into the earth's atmosphere is a chronological connection to the last sentence. 6. Using noun phrase. One of the noun phrase in the text is water. 7. Using generic participation. The generic participation here is a rain. 8. Conjunction of time. One of the conjunction of time that were used in this text is while. Inside the sentence, some evaporate while falling through dry air.
That's all from us about explanation text of how does rain fall. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, good afternoon. We are from the English group consisting of Dennis, Vera, Ajahra, Reni, Repa, Jakaria. Here we will present how the process of rainbow occurs.
Rainbow is a natural phenomenon that is so impressive. This phenomenon often occurs after rain. Rainbow is an art spectrum which is so large and occurs because the drops are reflected by sunlight. When the sun is shining and the light passing through water droplets, then you will see reflection that cause a wide variety of colors, like reflected, like passing through a glass prism. Waalaikumsalam.
Other names of the rainbows is rainbows, which is a system of optical and meteorological phenomenon in which light with different color reflects parallel to each other into water droplets. You can also see this phenomenon under the very high and heavy waterfall.
Rainbow happen in detail. All the happening begin while the sunlight passing through the raindrops and the link is deflected to the center of the droplet. White light now separated from each other into a spectrum of color. Process does not stop there. Color that been separated, then separated again into the very small portions. There is more like separated from each other in the droplets and the armor. Surface and finally choose color from a like curve called a rainbow.
Can we make a rainbow? Of course. Three are athletes towards two ways that you can do to make a rainbow. First, you can use a spray container water. We can now touch rainbow water with when sunlight passing through droplets from the water spray. In the morning or afternoon, spray water under the sun. Then see the water droplets filling a lot of water and you will see a small rainbow that you can touch easily.
Second, as because of video, this then reflected to the light of the sun and leaving to the wall or ceiling of your house. On the ceiling or the wall, you will see a colorful light that have the same color with the rainbow. That's the definition of rainbow. How does it happen and how we can make it true?
Good job!